Hi, my name's Clough. I'm the drummer for Bad Ape. I've been playing drums since I was 7, so I've been playing drums about 25 years now. I play the Collision 5BR stick. The reason I love Collision, first and foremost, is the sticks. They're really well made, they're really good length feel, and they're really durable, which is good because I play quite heavy. I love that the brand's creating a community of drummers to help come together and help push each other rather than competing against each other, which is always good. I really like that they're a British company. One good thing is the customer service is brilliant. You get a response straight away whenever you contact them, which is always good if you're needing sticks or you need help when on tour. Next, you're going to see a video which was tracked when we were recording our soon-to-be released new single, I Wanna Fly. Hopefully it'll be released soon. Hope you enjoy it.
'Cause all I did was pick you up when you were down, dry your tears, adjust your crown. Every dream I made for you, but look at what you put me through. These bitter thoughts drive me insane. Your toxic words always the same. Bitter thoughts drive me insane. Your toxic words always the same.